Ajay, you made it! Good job, son of Mohan.
Why are you guys helping me?
You're the son of Mohan Ghale. You may not know it, but that name carries a lot of weight in Kirat, especially for the Golden Bath.
Are those army guys still looking for me?
Pagan Min will stop at nothing to get you back. Damn. Some of Pagan's men managed to track us. They'll be here any second. We're in for a fight. Here they come. Hold your ground.
Enemy located!
Sounds like trouble. Moving now!
Come on! Take cover!
Who's shooting?
Avalanche! Take cover! Ajay! Avalanche! You're a tough man to kill, brother.
That's a good thing, right? How did you know to find me?
He saw Bacon's chopper nearby. He's never down this far south, and I wanted to know why. Lucky for you, we were in the area when we got Darpan's text. Well, we're here. Welcome to Banapur, home of the Golden Path.
Who's this? Where's Darpan?
He didn't make it. This is Ajay Ghale, Mohan's son.
Let me understand. Darpan's dead? And you brought me this?
I'm not involved in whatever this is. I'm just looking for Lakshmana.
We're in the middle of a fucking war. We don't have time for tourists.
What was I supposed to do? Just leave him there? I'm sorry, brother. Amita's a little touchy. I'll talk to her. As for Lakshmana, it sounds like it could be a temple or shrine. But if that's the case, it's in the north. The north is enemy territory, and we can't get you there, not yet. Go and clear your head. Come find me when you're ready.
There is new blood in the Golden Path. This is why we will prevail. We are leaving the mistakes of the past behind. It will take time for all the young fighters to get confident, to understand the drills, to get over the fear and confusion of war, but they will. They have to. The future of Kirat is at stake. We have two leaders, each with their own ideas about how things need to be run. They both believe in the cause, but two heads is not always better than one.
Namaste.
Look what the wind blew in. Make yourself at home. Look around. Not buying or selling, no pressure. It's not like I need to feed my family or anything.
The Golden Path leaders. Like a two-headed elephant pulling in opposite directions and going nowhere in the end. When the Golden Path was united, Mohan Gale was the leader. It was a time of strength and hope for a time. The death of Mohan Gale broke the back of the Golden Path, but maybe the return of his son is an auspicious omen. Time will tell.